Hi guys, Les here from BG Trading. Today I'm going to be talking about Novonix, which the ASX code is NVX, and today is 12th of March 2021. Let's have a look. I just want to remind this is not a financial advice, so make sure you do your own research. This is just us sharing with you how we apply BG Trading BGS20 strategy into the stocks. What are the KPIs? What are the indicators? If you want to learn more about it, we're going to be launching a course, an online course, which will be very cost effective and super easy to understand. The course is going to be launched in March by the end of the month. So if you want to know more about this training, just make sure you become our Facebook group member. It's free, and I'm going to be putting the details at the description below. Just you gotta make sure you answer all the questions in order to be accepted on the Facebook group, otherwise you'll be rejected. Let's kick off with the analysis. Now, applying our strategies, we got two strategies, guys. We got BG Trading and BGS20 strategy. Okay, so according to we've been trading Novonix a few times last year, and the last massive run that happens, we apply what we call BGS20 strategy. So basically, BGS20 strategy is find the right point where to enter into a position, which will be around here because we have this green circle. We have bullish intersection level 1, bullish intersection level 2. So basically, put in there. Setting up a target, we normally is 20 to 30%. That's what BGS 20 strategy is about, 20 to 30%, and that's it. And we forget it. Okay, we sell it and move on to another stock. Now, what we're doing now, we also start applying what we call BG trading strategy. It's a strategy that we applied in Zip and a couple of other stocks that allow us to have a much further sort of profit. And I'm gonna show you quickly how we work with that strategy. For example, in Novonix, if we have applied that, we had those bullish intersection and the confirmation to jump into the stock. So we would hold the position on this stock on Novonix as long as SP, and when I talk about SP, I talk about the candles, as long as SP was trading above what we call the yellow line, EMA, okay, which was going to be right here at this point. So this is a very safe way to trade, guys. Very safe way to trade. And then if you have done that, we didn't do that, but if you have done that, instead just setting up a target, we could have made 119%. We actually used this same strategy to trade Zip, and we made in 1 month, we made 160% on Zip. But in Novonix, just giving an example, will be 119%. Now, obviously, if you are lucky enough to buy at the bottom and sell at the top, you would have made 292%, which didn't very hard to do, but some people maybe done. I don't know. Let's have a look now. So the most important thing is now, after like 1, 2, 3, 4 months, we finally got SP, the share price, lower than SMA, which is the simple moving average 40 days red line, which is our reference to avoid FOMO. And interesting enough, this is a sector that we highly believe that it's going to be a very beneficial over 2021 and 2022. Okay, so we want to make sure we are into somehow we have some exposure into our business related to energy storage system. Novonix is in there, obviously, and now what we have here is we had this bearish intersection here. I don't know why it's green, but let's put red here. We have this bearish intersection. However, because Novonix has been very bullish, now we have the first confirmation is Heikin Ash getting green. And then now we have a second confirmation today as the stock is trading 6% up with green candle on the volume, which means we increasing the volume, stock start getting momentum to the upside again. But most importantly, we are not FOMO into because we are still trading under SMA. And if it's trading under SMA, it just means that you are the first thing you can have 100% sure is that you're not longer FOMO. You're not FOMO into. You're paying what we call technically fair price for the stock because you're buying under what would be the moving average of 40 days. So you're buying at a relatively discounted price. So now you can apply then you can just simply enter into this position and set up a target, which we believe that we're going to be not doing this time. We're going to enter into this position and we're going to sell only when we have the reversal indicator. So you can set up like target of 20%, 30% if you want. I would personally, I would set up, if you're buying today, let's say all the confirmations, we had this bullish intersection confirmed next few days, I would set up a target, if I'm conservative, I would set up a target of 20% would be around 320. 320, you make 21%. And if you want to go a little bit more, just set up a target under a round number, which would be 350. So set up a target under 350, which is 346 sort of thing, which is 30% already. Pretty good. It's pretty good making 30% out of a trade. Now, if you want to be a little bit more, let's say, risk taker, you can use a BG trading strategy, which we're going to do this time. BG trading strategy and keep holding a position as long as SP, as long as the candles are trading above the yellow line. Okay, and then only selling when you're happy already to take some profit. Let's say you're taking 50% profit or something, or when in fact you have something like this, a red candle coming along together with a bearish intersection level 2. Okay, so this is would be our view on Novonix. We believe it is a very interesting entry point. We might gonna be opening a position on this stock, and we're very curious to watch what's going to happen from now and see whether our KPIs will once again work into favor trade. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. You have a fantastic weekend. Today is Friday, and then I'll see you in the next video.